Decorating a studio apartment is like mastering the art of a miniature masterpiece. It's all about making every inch count while maintaining a chic and comfortable vibe. With the ever-evolving landscape of interior design trends, there's a plethora of playful and practical ideas to turn your compact living space into a stylish sanctuary. Here are 10 tips and tricks to unleash your inner designer on your studio apartment. One. Define your spaces with purpose. Welcome to the era of intentional living. Instead of letting your studio apartment blend into a mishmash of functions, purposefully define each area. Use furniture arrangements, area rugs, or even bookshelves to create visual separations between your living, sleeping, and dining zones. This not only adds structure but also makes your apartment feel like a curated collection of purposeful spaces. Two. Multipurpose marvels. The days of single-use furniture are over. Embrace the multi-purpose revolution. Invest in pieces that pull double or triple duty. Like a sofa that transforms into a bed or a coffee table with secret storage compartments. Not only does this save space, but it also adds a dash of intrigue to your decor. It's like having a magic trick up your sleeve, but in furniture form. Three. Let there be light. Lighting is the unsung hero of small spaces. Illuminate your studio apartment with flair by incorporating various light sources. Hang pendant lights to draw attention upward, add floor lamps for a cozy ambiance. And introduce task lighting for functional areas like your workspace or kitchen. A well-lit space not only feels larger but also sets the stage for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Four. Mirror on the wall. Mirrors are the illusionists of interior design. When strategically placed, they can make your studio apartment appear larger and brighter. Consider leaning a large mirror against a wall or incorporating mirrored furniture to bounce light around the room. It's like adding a touch of magic that captivates both you and your guests. Five. Go vertical with storage. When square footage is limited, think vertically. Install tall bookshelves that reach for the stars and take advantage of wall-mounted storage solutions. This not only keeps your belongings organized but also draws the eyes upward, creating the illusion of height. Vertical storage is the superhero your studio apartment deserves. Six. Neutral Nirvana. Step into the serene world of neutral colors, where the walls whisper tranquility and the furniture exudes sophistication. Embrace light hues like whites, creams, and soft grays to open up your space. Not only do neutral colors make your studio apartment feel airy, but they also serve as a blank canvas for injecting pops of color through decor accents. Seven. Furniture Choreography. Your furniture is the cast, and the floor is the stage. Choreograph a dance that allows for fluid movement and an unobstructed flow. Avoid blocking natural pathways, and position furniture against walls to create an open central area. This way, your studio becomes a dance floor where every piece moves in harmony. 8. Fold, collapse, stack. In the world of small space living, adaptability is key. Choose furniture that can play a disappearing act when needed. Folding chairs, collapsible tables, and stackable storage containers are your backstage crew. Ready to step in and free up space for impromptu gatherings or solo dance parties. Nine. Decorate with panache. Think of decor as the accessories that elevate your studio apartment's style game. However, it's a game of quality, not quantity. Choose a few statement pieces that reflect your personality and taste. This could be a bold piece of artwork, a quirky lamp, or even a unique accent chair. Less is more, but each piece should speak volumes. Ten. Harmony in theme. Your studio apartment is your canvas, and every stroke should contribute to the masterpiece. Choose a cohesive design theme that ties everything together. Whether it's a bohemian oasis, a minimalist haven, or an industrial chic retreat. Let the theme guide your choices in color, furniture, and decor. This ensures that your studio apartment feels like a curated experience rather than a mishmash of styles. In the grand symphony of small space design, you're the conductor. These tips and tricks are your chic music, but feel free to improvise and let your creativity run wild. Your studio apartment isn't just a living space, it's a canvas waiting for your artistic touch. So, go ahead, play with colors, dance with furniture, and let the trends be your muse in creating a studio apartment that's uniquely and playfully yours.